We'll be going over several futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We remain in negative MACD. We did see it diverge, and we're still below the 200 moving average, this green line, which will act as our temporary resistance at a price of $26.18. With the 4 hour chart, we have now dipped into negative MACD territory, and as for our temporary support, the LB rate have the 200 moving average, this green line at a price of $25.59. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we still remain in positive MACD, but we're seeing signs of a diverge. As for the trade idea, I'll be trading SLV, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $22.56, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $24.37, and my stop loss is at $22.22. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $25.46, and that is this range there. My sell target is at $22.92, and my stop loss is at $25.85. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, silver futures has a 6% chance to climb between 0 to 6.5%, and 19% chance to climb between 6.5 to 13%. To the downside, it has a 69% chance to fall between 0 to negative 6.5%, and a 6% chance to fall between negative 6.5 to negative 13%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.